What is up guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make $100 per day with Facebook, and it is going to be 100% free method. And if you are going to do this for 30 days, you will start seeing results. Okay, do this in a proper way that I'm going to share with you and you will see the result yourself. Okay, so now we are simply going to hop onto the whiteboard, and after that I will be taking you to Facebook and on all other platforms where you need to go to make your first $100. Okay, so now what we are going to do, let me first of all lay out the whole blueprint. First of all, we are going to find out the problem. Okay, there is a problem in the market, in every market. So we are going to go in the market and we are going to find out the problem, and thereafter we are going to trigger that problem. We are going to reach out to people and we are going to trigger that problem, and thereafter we will be telling them, if you wanted to leave this problem, if you wanted to get out of this problem, then go with this. Okay, so this is all only what we are going to do, and people will be going with you like crazy. Okay, so what we are going to do over here now, the first step over here, that is we are going to find a big problem. Okay, the first step is finding a big problem, and one of the big problem over here, for example, in the health niche, there is losing weight, overweight problem. So you can actually trigger them like, hey, if you are not going to lose the weight, probably you will be suffering from a ton of diseases, stuff like that. Okay, and you are going to trigger that problem. So now you, after that, you are going to deliver, you are going to tell them, hey, wanted to lose weight, check out this product. So this is how what we are going to do, but I'm going to pick up the another kind of the different niche, that is bodybuilding. In bodybuilding, there are a lot of things like a lot of people are either fatty or they are skinny. Okay, so it's hard for them to to build a body. So that's really a big problem. So now first of all, we are going to, now we have understood a problem. The problem is in the bodybuilding, the people are either overweight or they are skinny. Okay, so how, what they are going to do actually to make them in the proper fit so that they can actually build a body. So now we have figured out the problem. Okay, so now in the step 2, we are going to head over to like finding the solution, which is really important, because if you don't have solution, why the hell people will be going with you? Okay, so now the second step is going with solution, like we are going to head over to clickbank.com, and you can actually search over here anything. For example, like flat belly fixer, you can actually search over here like anything. For example, let's see if there is anything related to our niche. Okay, so I really cannot see anything like now I need to search over there for like bodybuilding. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so bodybuilding, we are going to search over here, and now it is going to reveal all of the products related to bodybuilding. So let's see which are the products. Look at this, the Greek body muscular, etc, etc. So now we are also filter them down by the kind of like gravity. Never select a product which is having gravity of less than 20, because those products are never gonna sell very well. Okay, so now I have sorted them with the gravity, and now you can see over here like anabolic running, etc, etc. There you can actually find over here like a lot of products over here related to kind of the industry. Okay, so now we need to find a good product that is going to help us. So let's see over here. Okay, let's see, let's say we are going to go with this product, although this product is not kind of the same, we are going to find, yeah, also let me tell you one more thing. If you cannot find the products on the clickbank.com, simply just head over to Google and then search over here like bodybuilding affiliate programs. Bodybuilding affiliate programs. Okay, bodybuilding affiliate programs, and then just join those affiliate programs, because those are the private affiliate programs and you will be able to join them, and those are really having really good products. You can actually start promoting those products. Okay, so it's another way to find great products. So you can also find any product. Let me tell you what are the criteria over here. So first of all, look over here that the product should have over 20 gravity. This is having 50, which is pretty good. And the product commission, what I do recommend is having at least $30. Okay, for example, this one having over $67 per sale commission. Okay, this one is pretty good. And one thing I also recommend you, you must have a recurring billing. Okay, recurring billing, that means if the product customer has paid, like for example, the customer has paid $10 once, that means he need to pay the $10, maybe whatever the money, he need to pay something every single month. Okay, to continue the membership. For example, you are going to join the gym and you need to pay every single month to continue with the gym. So that, and in that case, you will be paid every single month. You just need to send the guy one time to the company and you will be getting paid every single month without any extra effort. So that is why I do recommend the recurring affiliate programs. Okay, recurring product. And then after the pitch plus option. Pitch plus means, let's say if a guy is going to buy a $10 supplement, and then if there is a pitch plus, then he will be promoting the product of like $100. Okay, of $100. So that means you are also going to get the commission on $100 if you are going to send him to a page of like $10. So in this way, you are going to get the commission on both of the products, and maybe he's going to be sold another product after $100 of maybe like $200. So you are also going to get product commission on those products. So this is what I also believe, that this is also one of the great tactic to make an extra money. Now it's the time on how we are going to hop onto the we have find out the problem, we have found the solution. Now we need to go to the Facebook and start persuading people to go with us. So what we are going to do, the third step is going to is reaching out to people. Okay, it's reaching out to people. So we are going to simply head over to like Facebook. Okay, so let's see over here, on the Facebook, first of all you need to search over here on the Facebook like bodybuilding. Okay, bodybuilding workout. Look at this, let's see, look at this, 130 313,000 313,000 members, 51,000 members. Okay, 115,000 members. That means these 32,000, 72,000, 38,000. That means this niche is really big. So what we are going to do, there are a ton of niche now, the ton of things we can actually do. We are going to reach out to this guy. We are going to join 5 to 10 groups, and we are going to start helping other people. For example, they may be joining, what kind of the diet should I follow for building my body, etc., etc. And then we are going to simply give them a really good answer so that they will be fan of us. Okay, and not only the people, not only the person who has asked the question will only be the guy who will be seeing the answer, but a ton of other guys who are in the group will be seeing our answer. So that means they will also start believing that this guy is an expert, and probably we should go with this guy, etc., etc. They are going to check out your profile, and at that time you can actually have persuade them to buy the product. Okay, then on that time you can actually send them to anywhere. For example, you could have a link in your bio. Okay, and also a picture. The picture is going to recommend them, hey, just click the link below. For if you want to lose weight, like if you want to build a body within 30 days, click the link below. You have to do this. Okay, so when you're going to do that, you will start getting clicks. Okay, let me show you over here. So I have also added a picture, and the picture also indicates them to click the link in the over the to click the link below. So that is how, what you are going to do when you're going to do this, the people will start coming to your profile. They will start checking out, who the hell is this guy? Hey, why the hell is this, does this guy knows a lot? Okay, you should check out his profile. So it's something like it matters like you do have a picture over here. You can add a picture in your bio, and in the over here you can actually write over here like want to lose 10 kg weight, click the link below. And thereafter you can add a link. I do not recommend adding an affiliate link. Either you should add a blog link where you are recommending them some kind of product. Okay, telling them his features, price, etc. Or you could also send them to a YouTube video where you are again going to tell them something about the product, because that will help in increasing the conversion. Or you can also send them to an opt-in page where you will be collecting the emails, so you don't have to go on Facebook again and again to grab that traffic. Look at this. There is a 100% free training. Make your first $100 per day. Click link below. Okay, so whenever someone is going to click this link, he will be taken to the opt-in page, and then I will be taking his email and will be giving him free training. Okay, that way I can simply send him email again and again, and will be able to make money. And there is another way to make $100 with Facebook, is to just head over to these groups, and then just if someone is in problem, simply send them a DM and tell them, hey, actually I was also struggling with a problem. I was going to gym, but I was only skinny guy. I was not getting results, but been following a chart from many days and getting good results, etc., etc. Okay, so give them some kind of motivation. So what you will see after some time, the guy to whom you are talking, he will tell him, hey, which guide are you following? Could you please share the link? So on that time you can actually send them the link of like a, you can actually send them the link of the product. Okay, and I do not recommend you are going to check out the send the product link only. Also tell him, hey, this is the product that I have been following, but if you also want like some free PDF, I can also send you that. Okay, and that way you are also going to having the authority, and you are also going to pitch them product. So in that way you will be able to having a relation. And what you can actually do, you can actually also send them a YouTube video. Okay, where you are going to tell them personally, not just the YouTube video, but you can record yourself talking 1 or 2 minutes and telling them, hey, I have been following this product and getting good results, etc., etc. Just keep doing this, you will be able to get the results. So that in that way you will be able to separate yourself from like hundreds of people who are just messaging them, copy and pasting them. Your conversion will increase 10 times. Okay, so this is how you can actually do make money with Facebook. And Facebook is really a great source. There are a ton of people who are really killing with Facebook. They are really killing it with Facebook. So you just need to start doing all these things daily, and you will come to know that within like 15 days you will start seeing up some clicks. You will start seeing that people are adding you as a friend, and on that time you can either message them, you can either take them to to your group. What I do recommend, do never sell to your profile. If you are going to sell you to your profile, Facebook is going to ban you. Okay, either invite them on your Facebook group, or to your Facebook page, and that way your account will not be banned, and you will be able to promote them in the Facebook groups and the Facebook fan page. Okay, so these are some things that you need to follow, and you will be able to actually start making money with Facebook. And if you want to know more about this and want to go from zero to $10,000 in sales selling other people's products, then click the link in the description for 100% free training. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to share with you a lot of content on this channel. And I will see you in the next video now.